Hello everyone, I'm Sam. Today I'm gonna introduce the Saguaro National Park. The park is divided into two sections, called districts, laying approximately 20 miles east and 15 miles west of the center of the city of Tucson, Arizona. The total area in 2011 was 91,442 arches, of which 70,905 arches in designated wilderness. There is a visitor center in each of the two directions. Both are easily reached by car from Tucson, but there are no public transport into the park. If there is one image most people think of when the desert is mentioned, it is the magnificent Saguaro cactus. While the image may be synonymous with the desert, in actuality, the saguaro is endemic to the Sonora Desert. But there are saguaro abundantly in this national park, which in fact represents the extreme northern portion of Saguaro Range. The saguaro live in dry condition at altitudes ranging from sea level to about 4,500 feet. As such, the conditions in the Tucson Basin are ideal for the saguaro. The ecosystem in Saguaro National Park is dependent on the climate. The climate varies at different times of the year because changing in rainfall. The desert does not have the typical four seasons. The desert receives most of its rainfall from December through February. Temperatures of the near or over 100 degrees daily are common in the summer months of June, July, and August. The summer brings well afternoon thunderstorm to the desert, storm that can cause flash flood. Saguaro National Park is described as a perfect cycle. A perfect cycle is an environment in which plants and organic life use about 4 cycles in unique manner to flowers of an extreme environment. In a desert, even though the precipitation during the year is very low, plants and animals are drought adapt to aid survival. The nitrogen cycle in Saguaro National Park begins with the uptake of nitrates of desert plants. These are then consumed by insects or reptiles. These creatures are, in turn, eaten by secondary consumers such as small carnivores and snakes. The nitrogen-bearing compounds in these animals are passed further up the food chain to large carnivores such as cetaceans and birds of prey. These creatures occupy the tertiary level of desert food pyramid. Their waste products and the dead body return nitrogen back into the soil, where bacteria and fungi mineralize them for plant growth. Knowing that once the bacteria convert to nitrogen into unable material for plants, the material grows to help with plant growth. If the bacteria in the soil was unable to process the nitrogen, the plants will be unable to grow properly, if at all. If the plants cannot grow, then the plants will die out. If the plants die out, then the primary consumer will have to find a new source of food or die of starvation. The lack of primary consumer takes away the valuable food source for the secondary consumer. This leaves the top predictor without food as well. Just by distributing the nitrogen cycle in a single place, it distributes the entire food chain. The distribution leaves the ecosystem bare and uninhabitable. The nitrogen cycle provides substantially and order to the ecosystem. Saguaro cactus, fishhawk barrier cactus, stay-on corolla cactus, ingenious prickly pear cactus, teddy bear cholla cactus, cholla cactus. The invasive plants are known as the buffalo grass that hurts the environment so much. Sonora desert toad, Kenyan tree frog, unknown hummingbird, common raven, desert turtles, Kenyan spotted whispered, Arizona black reptile snake. Fungi is very important to the environment. Fungi, together with bacteria, are responsible for most of the recycling, which return dead material to the soil in the form in which it can be reused. As the plants are at the base of the most food chain, if their growth was limited, all animal life, including humans, will be seriously reduced through starvation. Many other fungi also produce antibiotic substances, which are now widely used to control disease in human and animal population. The global warming has already contributed to the decrease in spring snowpack and Colorado River flow, which are an important source of water for the region. Future warming is projected to produce more surf droughts in the region, with further reduction in water supplies. Further water spread will be compounded by region rapid population growth, which is highest in the nation.